Hey everyone, how's it going? I want to show you real quick the basics of Replo, what it looks like when you get in your account. So once you set up Replo, add it to your Shopify, or not even, if you're in a free plan still, what you'll do is you'll go into your projects. Here I have a test page. So on the left here, you have your layers. This is where you see a page, container, image, all that. And then on the right is your edit panel. This is where you fix your sizes, your spacings, the way, whether you want things fixed or wrapped, hover states, mobile, tablet, desktop, positioning, colors as well, fonts, all that stuff. Now, what Replo does interesting is when you go, let's say you have the option on Replo to keep your page, your site themes, header or footer or not. So what you do is you click settings like I just did, page name, you can have hide header, show only the header, show only the footer, with header and footer. That's the cool thing about Replo, you get this customization going. Save whenever you're done, because usually I prefer landing pages without the theme header, but some clients, some brands, they like to have easy access to other menus and pages. It depends if you're running ad campaigns. If you're trying to push just one product versus, okay, you want to push one product, but if somebody wants to see the rest of your site too, or you have your shipping or policy pages, what you do is when you don't want the site to go fully live as well, publish, instead of just publish, what you could do is you can have this preview page. So view preview page in browser and have a QR code as well. So let's say you want to share it to your colleagues or other people in your company or clients as well. So the page doesn't need to be live. You can just share it like that. Now, a new thing they've also added is if you go in this diamond, this is template defaults. So this is for your website. You could have your template background color themes, placeholder images, site are pre-named already, logo. That's a pretty cool thing they've added. And yeah, this is just basics at a top view. In another video, we're going to go through building a page, building a proper page, and saving time, how to build pages faster. Have a great day, everyone.